Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are making madeleines. These little cakes that are often eaten hot with a coffee in the morning. So let me show you how I make mine. Here is what you're gonna need, guys. All-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, orange zest, eggs, and melted butter. Let's get started. In a medium bowl, combine flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Then whisk everything together. We are also going to add orange zest. Whisk until everything is well combined. Then set it aside. In a separate bowl, beat eggs until light pale yellow and doubled in size. These little cakes will melt in your mouth. They are light, buttery bites of goodness, perfect for dipping in tea or drizzling with chocolate. Add the flour mixture in 2 batches to the egg mixture and fold gently, just like so, guys. Personally, I think madeleines are best eaten the day they are made, but they will refrigerate for 3 days after baking. Just omit powdered sugar, place them in an airtight container, and then bring to room temperature just before serving. Dust with powdered sugar, or you can freeze them after baking. Allow them to cool completely. Omit the powdered sugar, wrap in parchment paper, then in aluminum foil, then place in the freezer up to 2 months. And when you are ready to serve, dust with powdered sugar. Next, we are going to add melted butter. Mix until well combined. So what we are going to do here, we're going to refrigerate batter for at least 1 hour or overnight. We're going to cover the batter with a plastic wrap, making sure that the plastic touches the surface of the batter, as we don't want it to have film. Just like so, guys. Madeleines are known for having a bump, and the refrigeration helps to achieve that. Next, I'm going to grease my pan and place it in the refrigerator to chill too. By doing so, it also helps with the madeleines not to stick to the pan. And the other way to prevent madeleines from sticking is by banging the tray sideways on the counter right out of the oven. It's been 1 hour. The batter is chilled as well as the madeleine pan. So we're gonna go ahead and spoon 1 tablespoon of batter into the center of the well. The batter will spread out by itself, guys. Once the pan is filled up, we are going to bake this for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they are slightly golden around edges and centers look set and a slight hump has appeared. Remove them from the oven, allow them to cool slightly, then dust with confectioner's sugar and serve them warm. There you have it, guys. Madeleines, French butter cakes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and There is the bump, the traditional mark that we are looking for. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends and your family. Please don't forget to subscribe and to ring that bell so we stay connected. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.